hayi baba ngathi uthe wena unenkinga ngokubhadala arena njengoba sokhipha le mali zobhadala ngane arena athi ungawari uNkulunkulu kaAbraham usobonelela noma unenkinga kangakanani ungavumi ukuthi ungawunarish anointing. The anointing you honor is the anointing will bring provision. The anointing you honor is the anointing will bless you. The anointing you honor is the anointing that will open doors. The anointing you honor is the anointing that will give you a car. The anointing you honor. Akhipha ngamnika. Mangiphuma. Uyangibisa. Ungibeka isandla. Ngibeka isandla. Tha. Ngisibhekele ukuthi usibeke esifubeni. Hayi. Jesus. Mawuthola ugcobo oluhloniphayo. You believe every word. Come on, talk to me this morning. If you believe in the man of God, every word you say, it will come to pass. But Bazalwane, I've heard that South Africa is like America. I didn't know about that. But I've heard that South Africa, but if America is the best, and South Africa is the best Africa. So muntu makafika South Africa ufike America in Africa. But there's one thing in Zakalayo, in America, ayikwazi ukuhonorisha the man of God. Ingakho noma babiza man of God bambiza ngegama lakhe. Mawungakazi uyibona ngisho America no babakho bambiza ngegama, bambiza ngegama lakhe. But in Africa, one thing, Africa, they know how to honor the anointing. It's only you. You don't honor the anointing. When they speak to the men of God, some they even go down on their knees to honor the anointing. When I speak to my Father, I need to show humility. No mungazama njani angeke mina nawe silingane uthi uNkulunkulu uzothela amafutha ekhanda likabani lika Aroni bese lamafutha ehlele kubantu abasubmit kuye. What makes you not to prosper? You think you are equivalent to the anointing. Ngabona mina ngabona baba lo besimatheni lo take what music ngithi umuntu omkhulu kanti umuntu omkhulu vele uhlanganisa millions and millions e-stadium but mangafika kulo spiritual father sakhe ngazi bathi William bani ufika ngambona mina eguqa ngamadolo ngithi lo muntu angahlanganisa ama-million azogucela enye indoda. Africa know how to honor the anointing. When they look at the anointing they see a channel ukuthi ngizoba nayo lento engiyifunayo but through a channel. Nkulunkulu mangasilethela abantu base-Afrika bazokufundisa how to honor the anointing. To know. Ngabona enye indoda mina ngamagama makufika ubabugumbi lapha kumele mina ngihlale phansi. Makunganasitulo kumele kuphakame mina ngihlale phansi babahlala lapha. Noma bangifaka isitulo esihle kangakanani makufika ubabami kumele mina ngihlale eplankini. Ngiyoboleka isituruturu yena ahlale esitulweni sami. Awukwazi ukuthi babakho ngamhlalisa kabi wena uhlale kahle. They honor the anointing. It's only in South Africa where ucabanga khona wena nomfundisi wakho niyalingana. Tshela makhelwane akulinganwa makhe. Akulinganwa. Ingakho lo mfazi eBhayibhelini athi I will build my father the prophet of God. I will build the prophet of God a room. And the room I'm gonna build, it will be an upper room. In your mind, you've got an upper room for the servant of God. No, upper room, not lower room. Ingakho noma singaba ku WhatsApp group sonke kumele phifu uzopost no kulwe kunobani angikwazi ukuthumela into enje la kunobaba amkhona but mawucabanga usiyalingana uthumela lenhlamba la ubaba khona. It's only know when you realize good no noma ungaba mkhulu kangakanani. Blessed financially. There is no servant that is greater than his master. If you can honor this anointing, ngakhuluma noma yini yenzeke. Anifuna ukuyizwa into engishoyo. Ngakhuluma noma yini yenzeke phezulu kwempilo yakho. ingako le ndoda engifunda ngayo uZankewu kwaqala kwaba nomehluko empilweni yakhe. Umehluko ubeka yi1. Umehluko wakhe uJesu angakafiki. Why uJesu angene kaZankewu? One uZankewu uJesu angakafiki. uZankewu uthi only if I can see him. God will never do anything where there is no expectation. I'm done. If you came this morning expecting nothing, you're going to receive zilch. But if you came here expecting something from God, I came to tell you, later God can only bless those who are expecting. What are you expecting this morning? Because me, as a man of God, I can only make you access what you expect. If I can see him, uZankewu and uDumeka emphakathini wakubo. Ngizwa into engishoyo. Udume njani? Udumeka bathi sigebengu uzwile, bathi soni. Mara Jesu marujani. Ungasithola singabangcwele la. Kufika isoni namhlanje. Uhambe ongena emzini wesoni. Athi no. He was expecting me. Maqeda ungexpecta. He made means to meet me. Ay ungasho njalo Jesu uthini athi mangifika ngimthola phezulu kwesihlahla. When you are expecting a king, you must be standing where you are ready. Ungafuni ukugibela itrain ume taxini. Abanye nje abayithola transport abayilindile ngoba ume in the wrong station. You can't receive from God when you're in the wrong station. Abanye bahamba nje bayisixuku. Just angifuna isixuku. uNkulunkulu uthanda abantu abenza into ehlukile. Do what others don't do. Yenza into ehlukile ngayo. Manhluka. Ungafani nabantu. Bona wenza ugibela isihlahla ushoti. Ukuba short kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukubhekana nama disadvantage. Not to see him. But what no, I will do something on the disadvantage. Angahlala njalo uNkulunkulu angezi kuwe ukuthi lama disadvantage wakho uwasebenzise an advantage. Angikwazi ukhipha kweshumi kule nyanga disadvantage yokubona uNkulunkulu. But that no, if angikwazi unqono ngeyiboleka le mali okweshumi kuze kumele ngikhansele le disadvantage because mangiya nge disadvantage I won't see him, but I need to make means. So khona abantu la who can make means. Some hey buza thina sibuya kude noNkulunkulu khona inyanga bese ngabhadala imoto. Said no, I cannot. I need to make means for the anointing. I say ethi ngikuphi background ka Zankewu. Number 1 uZankewu bacinisile isoni. No, ngizokuprovela nami. Isono sakhe bengasukuceba. Isono sakhe kulendlela acebe ngayo. Khona abantu ababayizoni ngalendlela uceba ngayo. uNkulunkulu ngingamosha esontweni ngiyacela. Ukuceba is not wrong, but check yourself ucebe njani. Waceba ngebribery wazi usewuyisoni. Ngoba wenze lento ongamelanga ukuthi uyenze. Hayi man singafihlelana ngithi siyasizana. Manje wena ngibheka kabi manje. Futhi ngibheka kabi nebusiness awunalo. Angeke umsebenza ubi sibusiso mawungenele ngamanyala ubi sibusiso mawudizela usabi sibusiso ukwenza ukuthi uphenduke isoni uyasebenza unemali but le mali akhona ekusebenzeli ngoba uyithole ngamanyala. Khona ama promotion awazi ukuthi wathole kanjani. Wafuna ikhulunywe yimi wangayikhumbuli wena. Uyazi ukuthi ungene kule office ungene ngani wenzeni ongamelanga uyenze ukuthi ungene khona uyisoni. Bible says so. Let me go deeper. This man of God, ngaqhubeka mara mind. Ngandaba bavume Fred. This man uZankewu. It was the man beka tax collector. So ngiyakuprovela manje ukuthi inkingi bekuphi beku tax. I-tax abazalwane yi 10%. I-10% ngakwenza isoni. Uthandaza uba ngumsindo mara uyisoni. Ngoba isigebengu, you are stealing the tax. Lalela. Tax collector. Into bekayenza. Nizomuzwa maseka confess. Into bekayenza. Bekangena kaMthembu. Makumele athathe u10%. Akhuluma okunye. Angasaphuma u10%. Bakhipha u40%. Angene kancuba akhuluma okunye babhadale more. Kumenza ukuthi abe yisoni. isono oyiso wena ukuthi wena ukhiphi more uyisoni ngoba makumele ukhiphe 10% ukhiphe 7% ukhiphe 5% you give what is convenient for you, you become a sinner. Na inyanga iphelile omunye akaphethe ngisho ne-envelope, omunye akaphethe nomhlatshelo athi uNkulunkulu awuhlukanga nesono, still a sinner.